Watkins. So we're at Journal page 39, Special Products of Binomials. A perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that is the result of squaring a binomial. So a plus b squared is equal to a plus b times a plus b. Okay, so that's a times a is a squared. A times b is plus ab. B times a is technically ba, but we can write that as ab. So b times a is plus ab, and then b times b is plus b squared. Okay, that simplifies to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. All right, let's take a look. Next, a binomial of the form a squared minus b squared is called a difference of squares. Okay, so a times a is plus a squared. A times negative b is negative ab. B times a is technically ba, but we can write it as ab. So that's plus ab, and then b times negative b is minus b squared. Well, negative a and b and ab cancel, so you're left with a squared minus b squared. All right, let's take a look at the first example. All right, so multiply x plus 7 squared. So if you use the box method, that's x plus 7 times x plus 7. Okay, so that's x times x is x squared. X times 7 is 7x. 7 times x is 7x. And 7 times 7 is 49. So that's x squared plus 7x and 7x is 14x plus 49. All right, now let's use FORM. Okay, x plus 7 squared is x plus 7 times x plus 7. So x times x is x squared. X times 7 is plus 7x. 7 times x is plus 7x. 7 times 7 is plus 49. Well, that's x squared plus 14x plus 49. All right, let's take a look at the next example. Example 2, multiply 6x plus 6y squared. Okay, so that's actually 6x plus 6y. This should actually be, I made a typo here. That should be a 6y. Okay, so 6x times 6x is 36x squared. 6x times 6y is 36xy. 6y times 6x is 36xy. 6y times 6y is 36y squared. So then that's 36x squared plus 72xy plus 36y squared. All right. So 6x plus 6y squared using the FOIL is 6x plus 6y times 6x plus 6y. Well, 6x times 6x is 36x squared. 6x times 6y is plus 36xy. 6y times 6x is plus 36xy. And then 6y times 6y is plus 36y squared. Okay, so that's 36x squared plus 72xy plus 36y squared. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Example 3. Okay, x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. X squared times 4 is 4x squared. Now, let me take a step back. Notice that I wrote x squared plus 4. when the problem said 4 plus x squared? Well, that's the reason is I can rewrite this as x squared plus 4 squared. Okay? Now let's get back to using the box method. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 4 is 16. So then that's x to the 4th plus 8x squared plus 16. All right, now that equals to 4 plus x squared times 4 plus x squared. We can multiply it this way. Okay, that equals 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times x squared is plus 4x squared. X squared times 4 is plus 4x squared. And x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Now, we need to order this with the exponent first. So that's x to the 4th plus 8x squared plus 16. Let's take a look at the next example. All right, we have negative x plus 7 squared. So that's negative x plus 7 times negative x plus 7. Well, that's technically a 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1x squared. Negative 1x times 7 is negative 7x. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7x. 7 times 7 is a positive 49. So that's x squared minus 14x plus 49. Okay, now FOIL, that's negative x plus 7 times negative x plus 7. Well, negative x times negative x is a positive 1x squared. I'm going to put a 1 here. Negative x times 7 is minus 7x. 7 times negative 1 is minus 7x. 7 times 7 is plus 49. So that equals x squared minus 14x plus 49. All right, go and finish up example 4. Example 5. Multiply x minus 5 squared. So that's x minus 5 times x minus 5. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is a positive 25. So then that's x squared minus 10x plus 25. All right, x minus 5 squared using the FOIL is x minus 5 times x minus 5. Well, x times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So that equals x squared minus 10x plus 25. All right, let's take a look at example 7. So 9x minus 6y squared. So then that's 9x minus 6y. 9x minus 6y. 9x times 9x is 81 x squared. 9x times negative 6y is negative 54 xy. Negative 6y times 9x is negative 54 xy. And negative 6y times negative 6y is 36y squared. So then that's 81 x squared minus 108 xy plus 36 y squared. All right, FOIL, that becomes 9x minus 6y times 9x minus 6y. So 9x times 9x is 81 x squared. 9x times 6y is minus 54xy minus 54xy plus 6y squared. So that equals 81 x squared minus 108 xy plus 36y squared. All right, go and finish up example 7. All right, example 8. 9 minus x squared squared. So that's 9 minus x squared. 9 minus x squared. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times negative x squared is negative 9x squared. Negative 9x squared. Positive x to the 4th. So that's x to the 4th minus 18x squared plus 81. All right, let's FOIL. So that's 9 minus x squared times 9 minus x squared. So then 9 times 9 is 81 minus 9x squared minus 9x squared plus x to the 4th, which equals x to the 4th minus 18x squared plus 81. All right, let's take a look at example 10. So FOIL, x plus 4x minus 4, so that's x plus 4, x minus 4. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Negative 4x minus 16. So that's x squared. Those cancel minus 16. So then FOIL, that's x plus 4 times x minus 4, which equals x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. So then that's x squared. These cancel minus 16. All right, go ahead and finish up example 10. All right, example 11. Multiply. So that's x plus 9y, x plus 9y. So x times x is x squared, 9xy, 9xy, 81y squared. So then that's x squared plus 18xy plus 81y squared. So FOIL, that's x plus 9y, x minus 9y. All right, so a little typo in the here, I had x plus 9y, x minus 9y. So easy fix. Okay, so x times x is x squared. X times 9 is 9xy. This becomes negative 9xy. And then that becomes negative 81y squared. So lesson in this is be careful when you write here. Make sure you transfer it correctly to the box method because you don't want to make a mistake like I did. Okay. Now that changes the problem in that net 9xy minus 9xy cancels. So that becomes x squared minus 81y squared. Okay, so then now let's FOIL here. X times x is x squared. X times 9 is negative 9xy plus 9xy minus 81y squared. Well, these cancel. You're left with x squared minus 81y squared. Okay, let's look at example 14. So then that's 8 plus 4y. And again, you want to be careful not to make the mistake I did last time. This is 8x. See, almost made a mistake, but I checked back here. Okay, 8x plus 4y. Now 8x, and that's a minus, so minus 4y. Okay, 8x times 8x is 64x squared. 8x times 4y is 32y squared. Negative 4y times 8 is negative 32y squared. Negative 4y times 4y is negative 16y squared. So you have 64x squared. 32y squared minus 32y squared cancels. You're left with minus 16y squared. That's FOIL. 8x plus 4y times 8x minus 4y. So 8x times 8x is 64x squared minus 32xy plus 32xy minus 16y squared. Well, these cancel, so you're left with 64x squared minus 16y squared. I go and finish up example 14. All right, last example, example 15. A square swimming pool is surrounded by a cement walkway with a uniform width. The swimming pool has a side length of x minus 5 feet. The side length of the entire square area, including the pool and the walkway, is x plus 2 feet. Enter expression for the area of the walkway. So the area equals x minus 5 times x plus 2, because area equals length times width. Okay, so we're going to FOIL that. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x minus 5x minus 10. So the area equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. All right, now it wants to find the area when x equals 9. So x equals 9. So area equals 9 squared minus 3 times 9 minus 10. Well, that's equal to 81 minus 27 minus 10. So the area is 44. All right, go ahead and finish up your examples. Start working on your assignment. Have a wonderful Wildcat day.